everyone. Today we are going to see the project name called Monitor Students During Online Exams Using Machine Learning Algorithms. The about of this project is like the system verifies student identity using face recognition before the exam starts and continuously monitors the student through a webcam during the examination. It detects violations such as multiple faces, unknown faces, face missing, face not clear, and abnormal head movements. All violations are recorded with a screenshot, and after the exam, a PDF report is automatically generated for administrator review. So we'll see the block diagram. So this is the block diagram. First, student registration is happening. While students registration, it captures the face image, and then from the face, it extracts the encoding, and it will be stored into our. So once if you try students log in means, then it will go to our database and it will search for the encodings. If it is matched means, then the face verification related, and then eligibility validity, it will check whether they are eligible for the exam. So after it will be redirected to our online examination, and through the online examination, it will be monitored by using a real-time webcam. And then we are using a face detection module to recognize the face. Once if the violations detection means, it will generate the warning. So this is our website. So we have two things like a student portal and admin login. So in the student module, first register students by providing details and capturing a face image. Then the students logs in, completes face verification, and attends the online examination. So during the examination, the webcam continuously monitor the students and detect violations such as unknown face, multiple faces, and face missing, face not clear. They head pose violations. If violations occur, warnings and screenshots are recorded automatically. So this will be in our student portal. So in the admin side, so the administrator can view registered students, monitor examinations, review violations with evidence screenshots, and generate PDF reports. So the generated reports contain student details, exam information, violations records, and screenshots, and activity logs for examination analysis and management. So this will be covered in our admin side. So we'll first go with the student portal. So this is our student registration page. We need to register. We need to capture the face. Then we need register. Once after registration, we need to provide the same email and password. So if you click the start camera and verify means, then the verification will be complete. So identity verified, and it will be redirect to our instruction page. So here you can see the student's name, student ID, exam duration, and then exam date, and how many subjects are covered, and control questions, and time alone limit. And then these are all our violations rules for multiple face deduction and unknown face deduction and face missing deduction. If after three warnings, both violations, it will be terminate our exam. For a face not clear deduction, after three warnings, our exam will be stopped. Once again, we can re-attempt. So here we need to agree the conditions, and we need to click the start examination. So here you can see our examination is started, the live monitoring. So here it is displaying our Python programming 10 questions. So we need to answer for the 10 questions. For each question timings 1 minute. So overall 30 minutes for three subjects. So if face not clear means, here it will come as a warning. Now I will not be in the camera, so face will not detect. On that time it will come as a violations. We can see that. So here you can see face missing warning. It keep giving answers for all the 10 questions. Then we need to submit and next subject. This button we need to click. So it will ask for confirmation. So Python program completed. Now it is a machine learning questions. Once again, it started the live monitoring. So now face blur violation. So now you can see face not clear violation happen. So now it's asking for the confirmation. Machine learning completed. We move on to our computer vision. So this is our computer vision. So looking away means it's coming the warning. So if multiple faces detected means on that time also it will come the warning. So now you can see another time it's displaying the warning. So submit and finish button we need to click, and then it will ask for the confirmation. So exam completed, the admin login. So for a user name, and password we need to provide. So here you can see total one student registered. There is no active exams. Then completed exam one, and zero terminated exams, and five violations happened. So we'll go for manage students. So here you can see the registered student name, email, when they are registered, the eligibility, face is enroll or not. So if you don't want the student means we can edit the student details also. So then we can see the view exams. So in this that student is completed their exams with the 5 warnings. So we have a report also. Click the generate report means then it will be generated. It will be redirect our report section. So in the report sections and download that PDF. This is the report, the violations. So here you can see the student's information and the violations. Face missing one violation, face not clear one, and a head force violation 3 times happened along with the timings it's displaying. So here you can see face is not visible like a face missing violation, and then face not clear violation. So this is for a head force violation. Here you can see when the exam started and when the exam ended. So this is it. So this is the violation. So here you can see the evidence also. This is for face not clear evidence, and this is for a face missing evidence, and this is for a head post. So these are the things we can see in our admin side. If any active exam is there means here you can see the active examinations, and here also we can see the active examinations. So now once again I will do the examinations. We have 3 attempts, so we can do the examinations in the 3 times or the verification. So once after identity verified, so the same instructions, we need to operate the terms and start examination. So now the examination is going on. I will go and check our admin side. So here you can see on active examination is going on. So we can see the all active examinations also. The students as of now doing our exam. So here you can see report in progress only. Once the examination completed, it won't display the active examination. So as of now, active examinations is going on. So this is how the project will work. Thank you.